is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with a kind of different video. This week, I want to talk to you how I am about to start my Forex journey. I know that I'm a little late to the party. I first heard about Forex about 20 years ago when I read about Forex in the Inc. magazine. I was subscribed to the Inc. magazine because I always want to learn how rich people get rich, and I used to always flip to the back of the Inc. magazine how they used to always give opportunities how you could work from home. Well, I stumbled across a word where it says foreign exchange, and then I started looking at so I went to the library and I was like, what is foreign exchange? And it talked about Forex. So Forex is a little different than the stock market, of course, because you trade in stock, but with Forex, you are actually trading currency. The stock market trades what, 18-19 billion dollars a day, but with Forex, it actually trades over $5 trillion a day. So lately I have been going over and been looking at a lot of Forex videos because I had a mentor. He was training me up and I fell off from that mentor a year ago. I was taking sessions, I fell off. I thought that I'll be able to make money a different way. So I started thinking about what way can I start making money? So of course, a light bulb went off in my head and I started thinking about some of the teachings that my mentor was teaching me about Forex. I have never traded Forex, period, but he would start teaching me some of the principles. So I told myself, now is the time for me to get in the game and start learning Forex. I understand Forex is not for everybody. I know that Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but I started looking at a lot of videos how a lot of younger people than me has got in the game, they took the risk, and I start asking myself, what are you waiting for? So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start talking about all of the processes that I'm gonna take during my Forex journey. So just a quick cap, one of the things that I've done is I end up getting me a broker account with Hugo's Way. Then I use my Hugo's Way account to set up an account through MetaTrader. So now that I have a trading account, then when you start this process of Forex and you virtually don't know anything outside of the currency pairs and how much money is traded daily, the next thing that you have to do is get you some kind of mentor. So what I did, I said, I'm gonna get me a mentor, someone that I don't know. So I went on Fiverr because I saw some videos on YouTube where some people were able to go on Fiverr and actually find people to help them learn how to trade Forex. So that's what I did. So in another video, I'm gonna show you some of the process that I've took and how I use my Cash App account to purchase Bitcoins. And from the process of purchasing these Bitcoins, I was able to transfer those Bitcoins to my Hugo's Way account. Then I was able to set up my MetaTrader account. I am super excited to take you on. I'm super excited to start trading Forex. I understand that a lot of 95% of people who trade Forex lose. And I'm still excited because I know that it's going to take me probably a couple of years to actually learn all of the principles of Forex, to start learning certain positions of the pips, when I should get in, when I should get out, when I should leverage. Those are some of the things I've been looking at when I've been looking at a lot of amazing videos of YouTubers and Forex traders that has been brutally honest. All of the people that get on Forex, and some people showing their Lamborghinis and they're showing their Porsches and Ferraris. A lot of people, the backstory to some of that from the people that been realistic about it is, yes, people are making that kind of money, but the realistic part is some of these people had mentors, some of these people had have lost in the beginning. If you don't master the process of Forex, it's a chance that you can lose too. So it's a very promising journey. And I purchased this mentor off of Fiverr, and I'm gonna list that the link to the mentor below. If you are interested in this journey, taking this Forex journey with me, that is beautiful. As the more people that gets in this $5 trillion a day trading process can possibly learn the process, it'll probably take us a year or two to really master it. But I have got a mentor for the next 60 days, and I'm gonna be vlogging from time to time to show you my successes and my profits in Forex, and I'm gonna be showing some of my losses. I want to be real candid and promising with this journey. But from 20 years ago, learning what the word meant, Forex, not knowing any of the principles about it, to now finally setting up a broker account and a trader account. I funded my account with $100 because I just want to get in. I want to be serious about the journey that I'm about to be on. But if I lose $100, of course, $100 is a lot of money. But if I lose $100, that's a lot less than losing $1,000 or $10,000. So I want to take this $100 account and I want to see if I can get profit. And I want to be real candid about my successes and failures. So I definitely want to see how my mentor takes me, the mentor that I discovered on Fiverr. And let's see how this journey starts from 100 to let's see if I can take it to 1,000 or even more. So once again, this is Antonio, and I will keep you involved in the process of this Forex journey of mine. So I will see you next time, and thank you again for watching all of my videos. It means a lot from the bottom of my heart. So once again, I'll follow up with this video with another video showing you the process that I took in setting up my Hugo's Away account, funding that account. So I'll show that as well. So once again, I will see you next time.